Good morning. Today I would like to show you the different uses of the floating toolbar which appears in our desktop when installing the digital board notebook software from Smart. When this tab appears, we will drag it across to open the floating toolbar. On this, we can find basic tools such as the pointer, color markers, a highlighter, the right button of the mouse, the notebook access, a keyboard, the undo button, the last, the tool icon which is obviously for tools. When clicking this icon, we open a window which will enable us to personalize the floating tools. To personalize them, we just need to select from the options the one we want to have immediate access to. Although we can access them from the notebook superior bar, this new way is a more immediate, accessible, and easy way to work both in the notebook and any other application we open on our digital board. We will take as an example the reflector. Note that to have a reflector in our toolbar, we only need to click on it and drag it from the Tools window to the toolbar. It will immediately become incorporated into the toolbar. As we have now finished the personalizing, we click on Done and we now have all the previous tools plus the recently added one. Now I will explain how to use this tool, which I personally find is very useful in my class. Notebook's direct access should be opened from the desktop. We will go to the Gallery tab after not setting the program change alert. Continuing that gallery, we open Materials and choose the Arts folder, opening it and selecting Art. 25 images will appear. From then, we can choose, for example, this Van Gogh portrait. We'll centralize it a bit first. The reflector tool is very useful to catch my student eyes on those details, those points which I want to make a special comment about draw their attention to. If the toolbar was closed, I will just need to click on the tab to access the reflector. With just a click, I can open it automatically. There are two ways of using the reflector. If we access it from outside the diameter, we can move it wherever we want. The other function we have is to click in the blue parameter of the same reflector to reduce or enlarge its size. We will now reduce the size and centralize it on Van Gogh eyes. To change the reflector properties by clicking on this drop-down menu, we have two options. We'll start with the second one, which offers a choice of shapes, and by clicking on them, we've got three possibilities: the ellipse or cycle, which is the one we've been using. And we also have the possibility to change the shapes to a rectangle or a star. Here we are only changing the shape, not the function. This is simple to draw attention to the focal point of the image, to make it more attractive and creating more interest in the subject matter. Finally, the reflector also enables us to have different levels of transparency. To sum up, I must comment that in the drop-down menu, there's also the option End, which takes us back to the image. If we want to save the activity, we should click on Menu, File, and then save it with the name we choose. To do this, we must first activate the keyboard. The keyboard will appear. We will save it with my initials, close the keyboard, and click Save in the folder we have previously selected. Now click on Menu, File, and the activity will be finished and saved.